In this video, we are going to learn how to study and review at home. In this class, you are learning about communication skills. Communication is a two-way street. That means that you give and you receive. Communication is like a transmission of information from one person to another. In this video, let's focus on the communication you receive. Most of the communication students receive is through lectures. In a class or on a computer, teachers communicate important information. This is what we call lectures. When teachers are communicating information to students, students should listen carefully and take notes. Students should take notes of new information, so something that is new to you, and important information, something that the teacher repeats, something that the teacher says is important, or something that you think will be important. When teachers teach, they also give examples to students. You should take notes of the most helpful examples. This way, when you are at home, you can study your notes and the examples and continue to practice. The second way to receive information is through materials in class or on Canvas. Teachers put a lot of time into writing information and providing information on Canvas. Students should read the information carefully and also take notes of what you are reading. Just like you take notes in lectures, students should also take notes of new and important information provided on materials. If the materials have important and helpful examples, then yes, take notes of those too. Students also receive very good information from the teachers through grading and feedback. Teachers spend a lot of time providing feedback, so students should study the feedback carefully and ask questions if you have any. Feedback is like a conversation. The teacher gives you some tips and suggestions, and students can ask more information if they need it. Here are some examples of questions you can ask about your grade or feedback. Number 1, I don't understand why this is incomplete or incorrect. Can you please explain it to me? Number 2, how can I practice this more at home? Number 3, how can I do this better next time? When you receive a grade or feedback from your teacher, you should study that information and take notes of your wrong answers. The wrong answers can give you a lot of helpful information because they tell you what you need to study more. Remember, these notes are for you, so you can take notes your way. This means in the language you want, the style you want, the size. Maybe you want to write small or you want to write big. The notes are for you to keep and learn from. So find your way to take notes. Okay, so we are learning that communication that we receive is important, and so we need to take notes. But taking notes is only half the work. Now you need to review your notes. Review means to study to study again and again. So, after you have taken good notes, you need to study them. You should study your notes before class, after class, while doing your assignments, and before tests and exams. Students receive so much information from teachers. It is important that students make use of the communication they receive. Remember, learning is your responsibility. You are the student. So, this is why it's important that you control your situation, take notes, and review them. You have many goals in your life. So, the skills in this video are tools to help you make it happen, make your dreams happen. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.